Bullish HT value expectation is $5.11 to $9.95. Huobi token cost could likewise reach $10 soon. Bearish HT cost expectation for 2022 is $3.96. In Huobi tokens cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and a lot other data about HT to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. Huobi token current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Huobi token is $4.57 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,067,217 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, HT has expanded by almost 1.5% as of now. Huobi token has a coursing supply of 130,991,704 HT. At present, Huobi token exchanges cryptographic money trades like Huobi worldwide, L-Bank, FTX, Gate.io, MEXC. What is Huobi token? Huobi token is the local digital money of the Huobi worldwide trade. It was established in 2018, which works with on-stage administration, prizes, and unique occasion access. It became well known among the early financial backers, which let clients put resources into exchanging and introductory coin contributions. Huobi token value expectation 2022. Huobi token stands firm on the 66th footing on CoinGecko at the present time. HT cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by a flat upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. On the off chance that the pattern breaks out at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. As of now, Huobi token is in the scope of $4.57. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of HT could arrive at the obstruction levels of $5.11 and $6.03. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of HT might tumble to $4.48 and $4.19. Huobi token backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Huobi token. From the above day-to-day time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Huobi token. Resistance level $15.61, resistance level $27.68, resistance level $39.95, support level $3.96. The diagrams show that Huobi token has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, HT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $9.95. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Huobi token could dive to nearly $3.96, a negative sign. Huobi token value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Huobi token is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of HT lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Huobi token is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, Huobi token cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is descending. As of now, HT has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of HT whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the HT is 23.93. This implies that Huobi token is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of HT might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Huobi token value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Huobi token. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Huobi token. At present, the ADX of HT lies in the scope of 44.02, and in this way, it shows major areas of strength for it. The above outline additionally addresses the overall instability list of Huobi token. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of HT lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Huobi token is at 23.93, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of HT with BTC, ATH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Huobi token. From the above diagram, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and HT are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of HT additionally increments or diminishes individually. Huobi Token Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Huobi Token could likely accomplish $15 by 2023. Huobi Token Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Huobi Token could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, HT could mobilize to hit $20 by 2024. Huobi Token Value Forecast 2025. If Huobi Token supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, HT would mobilize to hit $25. Huobi Token Value Expectation 2026. If Huobi Token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, HT would energize to hit $30. Huobi Token Value Forecast 2027. In the event that Huobi Token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, HT would energize to hit $35. Huobi Token Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Huobi Token holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, HT would hit $40 in 2028. Huobi Token Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Huobi Token, it would observe significant spikes. HT could hit $45 by 2029. Huobi Token Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Huobi Token environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into HT for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Huobi Token could hit $50 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Huobi Token organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for HT. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Huobi Token in 2022 is $9.95. Then again, the negative value expectation of Huobi Token cost expectation for 2022 is $3.96. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Huobi Token biological system, the presentation of HT would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $39.66 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $10 assuming the financial backers accept that HT is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Huobi Token? Huobi Token is an environment token sent off by Huobi worldwide, which offers advantages, for example, exchanging expenses and edge limits and admittance to specific exchanging occasions. 2. Where could you at any point buy HT? HT has recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Huobi worldwide. L-Bank, FTX, Gate.io, MEXC3. Will HT come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the HT stage, it has a